Hey, YouTube, this your boy Lance on TikTok, and we gonna cook some egg. I'm gonna show y'all how to cook the eggs, the tuna eggs, cause this right here, egg, tuna. This the tuna fish right here, and tuna right there, and this the egg right there. And I already seasoned it with salt, and and I'm gonna show y'all something else right quick. This right here is the light. It's the light Hellman's meal. It's like my Hellman's meal that I'm gonna mix in here. So yeah, let me mix this together to show y'all how we gonna make it. Give me one moment, and y'all can see how I made this right quick, a quickie. Now this the egg right here. We're gonna pour the eggs inside the tuna. So watch me right quick do it. And then it's gonna be your tuna fish. Watch. That's how you make the initial tuna fish right here. And that's all. That's how you make easy, simple budget tuna fish with eggs. And avoid the yellow spot, but more videos on the way, y'all. That's how you cook it. Okay, bye. Holla. Peace.